Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your iPhone has mic access and the latest iOS so Shazam works reliably. Once done, place the phone near the speaker because proximity improves recognition accuracy. Open the Shazam app or swipe to Control Center and tap the Shazam icon. This starts active listening immediately. You're doing this first to capture a clear audio sample. That's the key to fast matches, so act quickly when the music plays. Now watch the waveform and spinning indicator as Shazam records a short clip. This visual tells you the app is analyzing. If Shazam finds a match, you'll see artist and title. Tap the result to view lyrics, release info, and streaming links. Make sure to save the result or share it right away if you want to revisit. Saving builds your history, and syncing with Apple Music or Spotify lets you play the full track later. This step turns identification into action. To finish, check your Shazam library for the saved track and enable Auto Shazam if you want continuous background recognition. If Shazam fails to match, make sure to reduce competing noise and move closer to the sound source, because clarity matters, then try again. If problems persist, restart the app, reboot the phone, or verify microphone permissions in settings. These steps fix most glitches. One quick tip: try a second pass during a quieter moment for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.